It was not the news that Rose Parade officials wanted to give. In fact, they were very upset about it. Some of them even crying this morning. And then people keep asking me, wait a second, we're 5.5 months out. Why are we talking about this in July? Can't they just wait and see what happens? Well, the answer is no, because the Tournament of Roses and their nearly 1,000 volunteers start prepping the parade in early February, and floats start getting built as early as March. There are several key fundraising events that should have occurred by this point, but none of it has happened due to the stay-at-home orders. And with the governor's safety recommendations, it would be nearly impossible to have people work together on a float or be in the parade at a 6-foot distance, not to mention the band members blowing their droplets out of their instruments. Also, participants have to fly from all over the country and world. Many of the volunteers are over the age of 60, and organizers just don't want to be responsible for causing a super spreader event. And no, they can't just air the 2021 parade on TV without fans in the stands, because the floats would still need to be made. Since its inception in 1891, there have only been 3 times the parade was canceled, during the wartime years of 1942, 43, and 45. Still up for debate. Will they have a Rose Court this year? Also, will the Rose Bowl game be played? And will the theme still be honored? Dream, Believe, Achieve, which is aimed at celebrating education. The CEO of the Tournament of Roses told me they had been ready to move forward, but ultimately today they had to deliver the difficult news to everyone involved, including the 40 float entries and 20 marching bands already committed to participate in the 132nd Rose Parade.
Based on what's happening in the state, based on what public health experts are telling us, that they do not believe that we'll be in a stage 4 reopening, we had to make the decision that we could not move forward with the parade this year. At the end of the day, public safety and health is our greatest concern. And we never want to endanger somebody's health and safety by hosting an event that could lead to spread of COVID.
They do still want to try to air some sort of special. They're talking with their broadcast partners, one of which, of course, is KTLA. They're talking with their sponsors just to see if they can come up with some sort of alternative to be able to spread hope and joy on New Year's Day. Reporting live from Pasadena, I'm Courtney Friel, KTLA 5 News.